Hey everyone, so in this quick screencast, I'm going to show you how you can very easily adjust slide properties for multiple slides in Story View within Articulate Story, Align 360. So one example of where you would use this is when you're importing a PowerPoint deck. So if you went to File, Import, PowerPoint, selected a deck that you wanted to import, and then the slides that you wanted to import, you would come to something similar to this. So I've selected 3 slides from a PowerPoint. Here they are. And you'll notice in the slide properties that it's set to automatically advance. So that means that at the end of the timeline, the slide will automatically advance to the next slide. I don't want that to happen. I would like the user to move the slide. So you can see the other option is advance by user. You'll also notice that the slide is set to automatically decide when revisiting, so you might want to change that to resume save state or reset to initial state. Anyhow, all you have to do is in Story View, you just select all of the slides within a scene, and then you adjust what you'd like to adjust. So in this case, I'm adjusting when the slide advances. I want it to be by user. And then if we click away and then look at all 3, you'll see that all 3 of them are set to advance by user. It's just that easy.